Hey guys, this is Wes and welcome to your 9th Java tutorial. Today we're going to go over the ternary operator, and essentially what it is a simpler form of an if statement that's convenient if you want to assign a value to a variable depending on the result of a condition. And it'll make more sense once we when I actually show you. So let's delete this. I'm going to keep that. I'm also going to zoom in. Okay, so we're importing the java.util.scanner because we're going to use system input again. We created an object of the scanner class. We named it Wes, passed the parameter system.in so we can get input from the user's keyboard. Let's make sure. Okay, and this one's pretty cool. So we're going to prompt the user, say they're going to enter a bar, and we need to see if they're old enough to enter. So system.out.println welcome to the drunken clam. And if anyone can tell me what bar this is, write it down in the comments below. If anyone even watches this. So yeah, okay. Welcome to the drunken clam. How old are you? Oh shoot. Okay, so I'm just going to this brings up a good point. White space, or say space between words, does not matter as long as there is the semicolon. It doesn't matter how much space is between anything, except in the strings, because it copies that word for word. But say this is all valid. This is all the same thing as if what we were doing before, as long as the semicolon and all the syntax is correct. So we're actually going to keep it like that to prove a point. We are going to assign the user input to a variable named age, and it's going to be an integer since they're telling us how old they are. So int age is equal to wes.next int, and I've went over this a million times. Wes is the object of the scanner class that we imported, and next int is a method or a function within the scanner class that accepts user input in the form of integers. And then now we're going to go over the ternary operator, and just write as I write, and I will go over it afterwards. So string b is equal to age is less than or equal to 21 question mark welcome, you can enter sorry, you are under age. Okay, and the way this works is we're going to be storing a string in here into the variable b based on so what it does is it tests a condition. Is age, which is the variable that accepts user input, is age less than or equal to 21? if or is age greater than or equal to 21. If it is greater than or equal to 21, which this just is basically saying is it, it'll print this if that condition is true. It'll print this if that condition is false. So let's print it out on the screen. System.out.println. We're going to print out the variable b. So I'll show you how this works. File, save, run. Welcome to the Drunken Clam. How old are you? We're going to say 19. Sorry, you are underage. So what it did is we got user input. We prompted the user for their age. They gave us our age. It was stored in the age variable as an integer. Age is 19. So just think of this as 19. Is 19 greater than or equal to 21? It is not. So what it did is it printed, sorry, you are underage. Let's run this as welcome to the Drunken Clam. How old are you? We are going to say 33. Welcome, you can enter. As you can see, this is the b variable is a data type of b because the b variable is a data type of string, because what will be stored in the b data type is a string. It doesn't matter that age is an integer, because this is just the condition that it's testing. And if this condition is true, then it prints this is the true. If it is false, it prints this is false. So that's basically it for this tutorial. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.